Hey all guys, I hope you all are doing well, and I wish and pray all of you who are watching this video are safe and healthy with the second wave of corona spreading swiftly in Europe. And finally, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Preeti. I live and work in Germany. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite brand for body care and fragrance mist, that is the Bath & Body Works. I've been a fan of Bath & Body Works for a really long time, and I have some products which I really like and which are absolute favorite of mine. All the products I'll be talking today, I bought it from various different locations. Some I bought it from India and some from US, some from Malaysia when I was working there, and some from Milan, Italy. They have various varieties of fragrances and they have something for everybody. I mean, every kind of keynotes of the fragrance you're looking for, they have fragrance mist for each and every one of them. I'm not a person who identifies the keynotes of the fragrance just by smelling them, so I need to read the notes which I opened here. Anytime I'll be looking here, that means I'm reading my notes, and please do not mind it. And let's begin with the first fragrance. It's the oldest fragrance of mine. This is the Mad About You Bath & Body Works fragrance. This fragrance is always with my body wash in my bathroom because this is the first thing I use when I come out of the shower, especially during the nights when I take evening showers. The keynotes of this fragrance include the blackcurrant, bright peony, pink jasmine, white patchouli and vanilla musk. I'm not a fan of fragrances which smell so much fruity and flowery, but for some reason I like the body mist which smell fruity and flowery, because they are gonna settle down and do not smell that intense on your body, yet you have some hint of this fruity, flowery or girly fragrance on the body. One bottle lasts really long time. I think this has lasted me for more than a year now. Next one I have here, which I recently bought, I think in Milan, At the Beach Fine Fragrance. Smell of this is so divine. It reminds me of a beach vacation. So much in love with this. In fact, I carry this bottle whenever I'm going for a vacation, especially in the summers. Sprayed some of it into my another small bottle which is of travel size and carry it on most of my summer vacation, especially the beach vacations, and it smells so good. And the keynotes here say that it's a refreshing vacation ready, of course, blend of white frangipani, blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot, water, sea salt, breeze and sun-kissed musk. It also has a rating of 4.9. So much in love with this. Next one I have for you guys is this Beautiful Day fragrance mist. This has been a day fragrance for me, especially after we started to work from home, and it kind of wakes me up, makes me feel so fresh and beautiful. It is always there on my dressing table, so really like this. Quickly gonna read the notes. It's a daydreamy blend of daisies, pink peonies and sun-kissed apples. I forgot to mention one thing, and this fragrance out of all of them lasts so long on my body and also on my clothes, so really like it. And the next one I have is the Champagne Apple and Honey Body Mist. This is such an autumn and winter kind of a fragrance. Quickly gonna read the notes. A juicy blend of pink lady apple, sparkling champagne, jasmine, honey and autumn woods. It feels so warm and cozy when I wear that, if you know what I mean. This is extremely girly or fruity smell, and if you like such fragrances, this is the one for you. And the next one I have is this Pink Velvet Cupcake fragrance mist. I was so blown away the way they name their fragrances. I mean, this reminds me so much of sweet cupcake. Exactly. This smells so much like a sweet, like marshmallow, berries. It smells so fruity and so sweet. It smells so divine and feels like eating it. Quickly gonna read the notes. A decent, delicious, delightful blend of sparkling red berries, pink marshmallow and sugar praline. This is my another pick for autumn or winter, which is coming now. The next one I have is this travel size Japanese cherry blossoms. Most of the fragrance in Bath & Body Works, or the ones which are very famous, they also have the travel size, which is really great. Just because the cherry blossom fragrances are so subtle, flowery fragrances, it kind of is so refreshing. I don't know how to explain it. So quickly gonna read the notes. Tasteful blend of Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine and blushing sandalwood. Absolutely amazing, guys. It also smells powdery, smells like you just came out of the shower smelling like this. And this is one of the fragrances which they have been having for a longest time and people still love it. And that's for the fragrance mist. And now I have the body lotion. One is this Forever Red Ultra Shea Body Cream. Looks like this. I only use the intense smelling body lotion only during the special occasion when I like to feel myself special. So the note says it's a luxurious, unforgettable blend of fiery pomegranate, red peony and vanilla rum. I literally smell this like red peony and vanilla rum now that I read the notes. So good guys, so intense. This really lasts on the body for a really long time, and especially if you use the body lotion with the body mist, with the matching body mist or something similar, they're gonna lock each other's fragrance and that really stays onto the body for a really long time. The next one is from men's section. So when I went to this Bath and Body Works, there were few collection for men and my husband just walked in and so much liked it. Just wanted to share with you guys as they make a nice gift idea. First one I have here is this Graphite Ultra Shea Body Cream from the men's collection. Quickly gonna read the note. Bold, invigorating blend of sage, bergamot spice and leather woods. Never smelled it though. Smells so good, like one of the men's fragrances, and I don't know how to explain this. Smells really subtle and so fresh, like you just came out of the shower. Really like it. Next one I have is from men's section is this body wash. It's the Ocean 2-in-1 hair and body wash. It is a blend of blue cypress, vetiver and coastal air. Smells so much like a blue ocean, fresh air. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells so fresh and so nice. Next one I have is this Signature Collection Teak Wood 2-in-1 hair and body wash. As my husband says, this is more like a musky body wash, which is more like a winter kind of a body wash, I would say. This is Ocean is more like a summer body wash because it smells so summery, fresh, or gives like the beach vibes. Quickly gonna read the notes. Take an entrancing walk through the woods with a striking blend of mahogany, black teak wood and lavender. Smells like a wintry, warm, cozy, nice shower, and it smells so good. Alright, so that's all in this video guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. And before going, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Follow me on Instagram right here. And I will soon see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.